Aussie Rim Shine. The Aussie Rim Shine is what you get when you mix perfection with an eye for detail. This on-vehicle wheel polishing machine is tailored to put the gleam back on your wheel while it's still on the vehicle. The Rim Shine does just what it says on the box, leaving your wheels as pristine as when you first had it fixed. It is important, however, to note that the Rim Shine should only be handled by professionals or under supervision of trained personnel, because it requires proper safety measures, such as the use of safety goggles, and different steps need keen attention. The Rim Shine can be used for both American and European alloys and provides the exact same perfect polish every time when it's used.
Doohan Mexico iTank. The Doohan Mexico iTank is an innovative three-wheel thrill machine. Created by Kartik Ram, this exquisitely balanced vehicle has been proven to have American-grade safety and excellent performance, granted by its new Bosch motor, which makes it capable of handling even more passage loads. The Doohan Mexico iTank also comes equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Additionally, an iOS and Android-compatible app helps the operator to see a dashboard for diagnostics and analysis purposes. The iTank is particularly suited to long-distance drives and has been shown to travel as long as 100 kilometers on a single charge. This unique and technologically advanced vehicle comes with its own tools and instructions for maintenance.
Spike Spider Snow Wheel. The Spike Spider Snow Wheel is essential if you've got a car, pickup, or SUV, and you mean to drive in winter under icy conditions. The Spike Spider Snow Wheel can be used for a variety of vehicles, including cars, pickups, and SUVs, with no distinction for if they are rear drive, front drive, or all-wheel drive. If you're concerned about the ease of installation of the Spike Spider Snow Wheel, you shouldn't be. The Spike Spider systems are easy to install and can be attached in a couple of minutes. The process is as follows. First, you should take off the decorative cover from the steel hub, with the wrench that comes along with the product. Then, separate the traction arms and attach them to each side of the tire bottom. After this, slip the Spike Spider device over the tire and attach the locking ring. After this, you can enjoy your ride even in extremely precarious weather conditions. High Vision. The High Vision clears your way. This revolutionary device provides a new and innovative alternative to crane operation, increasing productivity, decreasing workload, at the same time making massive savings on fuel. Its unique system of camera-based technology makes it possible for the truck driver to do all he needs to right from the cabin. The controls are similar to those in video games and get really user-friendly and easy to use once you become used to it. Pavagen. The Pavagen has been described as the Tesla of smart cities. It is the brainchild of British entrepreneur Campbell Cook, who had the idea to develop an interactive walkway in 2009. He has since gone on to raise millions of pounds, around £3.1 million from investors and £2 million on Crowdcube, for the purpose of building his team and extending this vision all over the world. At present, Pavagen has installed 1,800 square meters of permanent and temporary interactive walkway across 200 projects in 30 countries, including Nigeria, Korea, and Kazakhstan. Even now, Pavagen's latest development, the V3 Tile, is capable of producing 5 continuous watts of power as people tread on it, a massive improvement over the first prototype designed by Campbell Cook. It is easy to see that this project is only gaining momentum with time, as it is exciting to watch what this great product will become as it grows into its own.